Watch this video at least once in your life, because the things we're about to share aren't just about the Orange Toyota Supra MK4 1994. Many of these secrets actually apply to almost every car. By the end, I'll even show you how some people trade old cars and drive away in fully restored luxury cars like this. Before we start, like and subscribe. Welcome to my channel. My name is Arch Baton, I'm 53 years old, and I've been repairing and restoring cars for 26 years in the US. Let's begin with a few secrets that make the Orange Toyota Supra MK4 1994 one of the most iconic and beloved sports cars in automotive history. First, under that legendary body lives the 2JZ GTE twin-turbo engine, celebrated for being massively over-engineered, cast-iron block, forged internals, built not just for 320 horsepower from the factory, but also to survive breathtaking power builds that exceed 1,000 horsepower. Second, the MK4 Supra isn't just fast in a straight line. Its double wishbone suspension, limited slip differential, and precise chassis balance gave it handling that surprised many drivers of its era. Third, despite its performance, it was surprisingly daily drivable and reliable, a mix of supercar power without supercar headaches, a rare quality that still draws enthusiasts today. Fourth, this generation introduced some early advanced tech for the time, including optional GPS navigation systems in Japan, a novelty in the early 90s. And finally, design wasn't just for looks. Toyota optimized weight using aluminum and lightweight materials throughout the chassis and bodywork, giving the Orange Toyota Supra MK4 1994 both agility and balance. Before restoration began, the stunning Orange Toyota Supra MK4 1994 had been forgotten for years, left to the elements and rusting away. But what many don't know is that this wasn't just a random abandoned car. This car once belonged to a young enthusiast who poured everything he had into street racing culture. Late nights, long weekends tucked under that 2JZ engine, and dreams of building something unforgettable. But life had other plans. A sudden family hardship forced him to sell the car, and it slowly faded from his life and memory. Seeing it in this state, the cracked paint, the worn interior, and the silence under the hood, reminds us that every machine has a story. This car story isn't just about metal and engine parts, it's about moments, passion, loss, and revival. And that's why this restoration means more than just a restoration. You've probably seen this car before, perhaps without realizing it. The Orange Toyota Supra MK4 1994 became an international icon after starring in the Fast and the Furious movie franchise, driven by Paul Walker's character Brian O'Connor. Just recently, Vin Diesel shared a very emotional reunion with that same bright orange Supra from the film, calling it a vehicle that holds a special place in my heart, reminding fans around the world just how deeply people are connected to this car and its legacy. If this restoration journey inspired you, remember this: you can bring your old car to Arch Baton Autos in New York and get a fully restored luxury car. Comment below what car you have. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this journey. And while this Orange Toyota Supra MK4 1994 may have started out forgotten, just wait until you hear it roar again, because some cars aren't just machines, they're living history.